loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a collective haul from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and Ross. It's going to be a mixture of crafty stuff and some Halloween buys that I was able to snag up. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, the first one I want to show you is Hobby Lobby. I did find some other clearance in other areas. These are the foam stickers that you find by the teacher area, and this was $1.24, and it was the bees and flowers. And I got this when I saw this. I was like, oh wow, this will go great with Scrap Diva dies, which I also ordered. So I'm waiting for those. So I figured to get this to use these with that. So look at that. So I actually got two of them. I got two of those. Look at that. So they do come in words like buzz and sweet. Yeah, buzz and sweet. And they do got the bees. They got 3 different bees. And they do come in flowers. And they got the honeycomb. Real nice. I got 2 of those. And the other thing I got from Hobby Lobby was this retro one, which was like the 70s. They only have one of these, so this was also $1.24. And it does come with, you do get a little sentiments. You get dream mate. Yeah, dream big. Choose happy. And then there should be another sentiment in here. I don't see it on there, but I can't see it with my glasses. So you get 3 sentiments. It does come with I already went blank. It does come with disco ball. That's your peace sign, your hearts. It does have the flowers, and it does have a rainbow. So yeah, I saw this. I was like, yes. Yes, 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 I needed this. So I got that one. And that's from Hobby Lobby. The next thing I did get from Michaels. Okay, the next thing I got from Michaels were the iridescent trim. They did get the little ghosties. See it there. So I got the little ghosties there. So they're iridescent. So I got that one. This was the last one that they had at my Michaels. And they were $2.99 on sale right now. So I was able to snag that one up. And the other one is a little pumpkin. The iridescent orange pumpkin. So I love that. So the regular price for that was $3.99. They're now on sale for $2.99 on the trims. Actually, ribbons on sale right now for the Halloween stuff. So that was it from Michaels. The next thing I also bought is I went to Dollar Tree. So let me show you that one. Now these I just saw laying around. Well, I saw one laying around, so I was in a search for them. And what this is a marker storage container. That's not what I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it for ephemera, which this came in handy. But basically, this was $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Yeah, it's like a little, it's almost like a small scrapbooking paper container. So it's not that thick, it's not that wide. It's made for markers, and look, it snaps, so it's not, it holds it. Pop it open. But yeah, I'm going to use this for ephemera. So I got 4 of them. So I got 4 of those. I got those there. Another thing I found at Dollar Tree was these retro stickers. Well, yeah, like the 80s type of stickers. So I got these in case I do a 80s 90s swap. They come with the radio. It comes with the records, babe, headphones, microphone, cassette, the old-fashioned TV, and even, I guess, to play movies. I guess that's what that's for. So I got that one. And then I did get this one. I don't know. Give me advice. Okay, I did get this thinking I could use this for the 80s, maybe 90s. I know definitely for the 70s. But let me know in the comments below if you think that this is okay to use for 80s and 90s also. So leave that in the comment below. Because I do 80s I think I could get by, but 90s I don't know. But yeah, leave your comments below and let me know what you think. I need your assistance on that. So I got that one too, just in case I do a swap for one of those years. So I got that one. And then now let me show you the Halloween goodies I bought. That's not crafty. Look at this. I got this one at Ross. This is a coffee mug. And look how cute this monster is. And he is in pink. So I had to have him. And he was only $3.99. Look at that. For this cuteness. And this is the Hey Boo line. Love it. I saw this. Yeah, I needed it. Not really, but I wanted it. So I got that one. Not only did I find that one, but bam! Check out this one. I even got the lime green for $3.99. And then this is how the inside is. But how cute are they? Look at that. I saw them. I was like, yes, please. Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. That's all I gotta say. Cuteness. So I got those two, and these were from Ross. Now from, oh, one thing I did forget from Michael's, I did get some glitter, some iridescent glitter, some purple. You probably can't see the color too well here, but you'll get a little bit of the green and the pink. Well, that's another thing I bought from Michael's. Okay, and then the next thing I have here is this heart whip tray, and right now everything is on sale. I know I got the little smudge there. I don't know if I want to return it or not, but it's no biggie. But yeah, this, I believe I ordered it online, so I got the 30% off because it had if you order online. The regular price for this is $19.99, but I had the 30% off. So I snagged this, and it's huge. I mean, you know, it's huge. So it's actually a tray. So I got this one here because I love pink. When I ordered it online, because at my stores I have not seen this at my stores, so I thought it was a small tray that I could use in a bathroom as a little trinket tray. But this is huge, so I was like, well, can't use it there, so I'll just use it in my crafty. So look at that. So I got that one. Love, love, love. Now, the next one is my fave. I got my little coffin. My coffin, little drawer. Look at that. And this is also was on sale. But wait till you see the inside if you haven't seen that. Look at all that prettiness. Look at that. How cute is this? I'm going to keep this in my craft area. Look at that. This reminds me of Monster High. But cute, cute, cute. Love, love, love. So I got that one also. And this was also 30% off online. The regular price of this is $29.99. So I did get a coupon on there. Plus I had a coupon with the stuff that I buy. So I also had some money in there. But love it. So yeah, that is pretty much my little haul for today. Make sure you like the video. Leave a comment below and help me out on that pencil case, because I do need help with that and your opinion. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you know when I do upload a video. And I do show a lot of cute stuff. But yeah, and with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.